Welcome to our demo video for the Aero Disposable Pipe Freeze Kit, ideal for small, single-use, DIY or domestic plumbing jobs without the need to drain down. Switch off the pump to ensure the water is not flowing and close any valves. System temperature should be cool, ideally below 20 degrees Celsius. Attach the freezing jacket to the pipe, ensuring it's as secure as possible. Then tighten the ends using the cable ties provided. Next, make a small incision near the top. Take the can of pipe freezer included in your kit and add the pipe to the nozzle. Now you're ready to go. Insert the pipe into the jacket and spray for around 10 seconds. Leave for a few seconds to avoid any flooding in the jacket. You'll see refrigerant leaking out the jacket if you spray too much. Repeat until you have used the dose indicated on the side of the can, or you hear a click sound, which indicates the ice plug has formed. Wait a further 5 minutes, or 10 minutes if the pipe is plastic. Now you can safely carry out your job. With no need to drain down, pipe freezing reduces your total job time by 85% on average. When you're finished, it's time to remove the pipe freezing jacket, and it's as easy as that. Thank you for choosing the Aero Disposable Freeze Kit from Arctic Haze.